Hi everybody, let's explain how the free games work. So let's say you go to the free games page or the free roll page and you want to roll the numbers and get free Bitcoin here. You can see a notification stating how much you're getting. So in the free games page, basically if you scroll down you can see your progress bar. If you are VIP 0, basically you haven't even started just a brand new account or anything like that, it's probably going to be 10 rewards over here. And basically all you need to do is click on play now. You have to click on that button, sorry, because this way it's tracking your progress. Now let's go with the Spider-Man page over here. Let's just play it. So there's gonna be some ads over here. You can skip them. If you don't like the music, you can always silence it as well as the sounds. Let's just ignore the effects for this purpose. And then you can play. And again, it's part of the ads you're gonna see over here. And it says tap to play, so I'm using the mouse. You can see that the progress bar basically is moving when you play. Let's try to shoot these guys. Up, failed. Now you can watch a video to get 50 coins here if you want to play, or just close it and try to play it again. Let's try it. Oklahoma University, very interesting. All right, okay, let's see it one more time. Let's get this guy. There we go. Still failed. All right, let's give it one more shot.
Why do we do it? For these moments, to reflect on what truly matters.
And let's see. Okay, let's play one more time. As you can see, not really good at it. Oh, got shot. All right. And you can check also other games. But if you're already playing this specific game, just let's try to claim the reward over here. And then you click to redeem. And once you click redeem, you see here, this progress has changed. So this is now showing 12.5. And once you pass the CAPTCHA over here, verify, you see you successfully collected reward. From 12.5 you went up to 25%. So that's the same thing. So if you own the 10 rewards over here, then it's gonna go with increments of 10%, 20%, 30%, and so on. And let's put this one here. We already know about the CAPTCHA. We told you about this in the previous video. I'm still working on it, just to let you know. You can roll one more time. So, and here if you grab several rolls because of the promo codes and things like that, you can just roll one by one. Then you grab several cryptos. And the VIP club basically is showing you, this is the first one when you start unranked. So this one free roll per day. And you can even buy it up if you wish. It's not a big investment, and then you get more rolls. It's up to you to decide. The multiplier starts to going up over here, and the exchange commission, when you exchange those tokens to Bitcoin, then that's basically getting a little bit of discount over there. And that's pretty much how it works. But even without referrals and without anything else, you can keep on playing. You can close the window. You can play again. I can just try another game. Let's see, what is this? Animal turtle saver. Looks interesting. So let's try it one more time. And you can skip it in a few seconds. Same thing like before. I'm gonna get rid of the sound and the tunes. and the progress bar is moving. So again, tap to play. So look, Super Mario stuff. So each press this button to jump. Okay, makes sense. All right. Oh, that's the big star. Cool. Press this to jump down. Cool. So it's also fun, and press and hold to parcel. Okay. Cool. Let's see what's happening here. Press this button to dash. Let's see, I got a cat. Nice. So it looks like this level is complete. Let's go to the next one. So it's pretty cool games, as you can see. So basically, if you like to play those games anyways, you're just getting free crypto for it. So that's the cool stuff about it. Let's see the, oops. It didn't work. All right. Pretty sure some other guy's gonna be much far better than what I do with this. Oops. All right, got this. So again, once reward, remember this was on 25%. And now let's click to redeem. And this is the CAPTCHA here. So let's just put this thing over here. And then this yellow notification is showing up. Once it's showing up, you can close it, safely close it, because you know you already got this thing. Once you get to 100%, basically, if you have 0 rolls, it's going to show 1. If you had 6, it's going to show 7. And you can keep on rolling and get free crypto. Just remember that you can get up to 5 daily rolls. So basically, once you get 5 rolls, you have to wait for the next day. This is done because otherwise it can be abused. So unfortunately, it's limited. Yep, it's pretty clear. And just before closing, just want to hit the referral program page so you can see you can basically get 50% of what your referrals getting from the free BTC. So whenever they roll in here, let's say you got this amount of Satoshis, you get, they got it, you get 50% of what they received. And you, from the earn more section, which is here, you can get 5% of whatever these guys are earning. So this is the referral program. So if you get referrals to play those games, basically, and they do the same process that you're seeing here, eventually they're going to roll and you're going to get 50% of what they're getting. So that's very simple. You can see also how many referrals you got. You see how much you got from the most recent one and how much you got in total from them. And you can grab banners if you want to use banners, or you direct referral link. Just click the copy here. And yeah, simple as that. Your referral link is also going to show the roll page. So when you roll, whenever you roll, you can click on share and you're going to see your referrals here. Or if you wish to share directly on Twitter, Telegram, you can just hit those buttons. So yeah, thanks again so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions, feedback. Take care. Merry Christmas. Happy 2026. Bye for now.